Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit any PDF file in Windows 10 and 11 in a very simple way. First, you have to come over into your Windows Explorer and going to open the PDF over here. So I'm going to open the PDF file. Click on the right mouse button and open with. I'm going to show for Microsoft Edge. And as you can see, this is your PDF file. So how are you going to edit it? Just simply click on the new tab. I'm going to search for here, turn PDF to Word, as you can see. So now here you can see that you just need to type into your browser, turn PDF to Word, and going to open PDF to Word. And now here you just need to select PDF file, click on the select PDF file, going for the download and going to select the PDF file over here. And after that, here will be an option called convert to Word. So click on that. And as you can see, it's converting to Word and going to download option. Click on the download option. And as you can see, the file is downloaded. So if you now click on open file, and now as you can see, this file is showing as a Word document over here. So you can simply edit it by simply click on any of file over here. If you pick up, as you can see, you can simply edit any of your file over here. If you want to close or delete this title, if you want to type the title for please subscribe, then this is how you can simply edit any of your PDF file in your computer. So yeah, this is how you can simply edit any of your PDF file in your computer in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.